What is up, YouTube? Here today I got another unboxing. This is from Angelus Paint. This is not shoes or clothing like I usually do on the channel. I'm gonna start bringing something new to the channel. I'm gonna start doing shoe customs, and I did these. This is like my take on like a Margiela. These are pretty dope, so that's what like kind of inspired me. Just go ahead and buy the paint and start doing customs. So let's get into the unboxing. There's a lot of stuff in here, man. I feel like Christmas or something. They gave me a dust bag. On the box it actually said shout them out, so man, shout out to Angelus, man. You know, get your paint on. Gave me some stickers. Gift box blue sticker. Probably slap that right on there. Just, oh shit, they gave me another sticker. Here's instructions for like, I guess to actually like paint and clean. I'm just like towel something, you know, just use to clean the shoe and stuff. Here's the leather prepper. Here's the shoe cleaner. For some reason I got it. Oh, I think this is glass. It's your standard 5 paint brushes. I ordered some separate colors. Here's my matte finish. Flat black. I meant flat white. Flat black. Fire red. Then I ordered Varsity and also Royal 5. And you got this brush right here, shoe brush. And the shoe with. Let's get into the actual paint. Here's the set of 12 paint that I bought. Right here it comes in this box. This is the South Beach colorway. South Beach. Here's light gray, like a cement. This is a pewter. I'm actually interested into seeing like how this would come out on shoes because it's a metallic. I bought a turquoise. I don't know why, this color just gave me a real nude vibe, and I love to use this. Like some Air Force Ones or something. Orange here. You got the V-Long orange. Then you got regular black, regular white. And that was it. Altogether I spent at least like $75 to get the free shipping. And I got all this, stickers. The starter kit was only like $28. They give you 3 choices of paint. That's not bad. And they actually give you a finisher, and I really needed that. Yeah, so this would be something new that I'm bringing to the channel. Thanks again, Angelus. Hit them up on Instagram. Their Instagram is crazy. I was just on there yesterday, and I seen a whole bunch of dope customs, and it's like really inspiring. I'll get back to you in the next video where I start on my first custom.